Hi, this is Paul with BuyTruckWheels.com. We've got a set of American Racing ATX heavy duty wheels here we're going to talk about today. This is going to be a kit that comes with 8 to 10 lug adapters for a 1-ton dually truck. We've got them for Ford, Chevy, Dodge, pretty much any year. So if you're looking to put 22 5s on your 1-ton with adapters, this will be the kit for you. This particular style by American Racing is called Octane. We've got some other different styles, but the trapezoid style holes is called the Octane. The set's going to come with 6 aluminum wheels. Like I mentioned before, the 8 to 10 lug adapters. Now, one critical thing here, our adapters will have long studs in the rear to run double aluminum and the screw-on style lug nut covers. So keep that in mind if you already have adapters and you're purchasing these wheels. We may want to just check on that stud length to make sure this will work with double aluminum on the rear. Cap options, we've got obviously the black caps in either a spike, black spike, or a chrome spike, or we've got just a regular bullet style in black or chrome. The caps, if you're wanting to mix it up, you can do chrome caps as well. We have those available upon request. This set, as always, ships for free in stock. If you have any questions, give us a call, 800-830-4547.